Hi, I'm Kari Thomas and this is my shop, Santa Barbara Gift Baskets. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own gift tags. The materials that you'll need are decorative papers, scissors, pinking shears, greeting cards, string or ribbon, tape, paper punch, and stickers. The first is a store-bought tag that comes in the colored paper that you could embellish. I found these cute little circle punches. There's an owl that you could glue on, or you could glue on a cute little flower and tie it on with a coordinating piece of ribbon or string. Another great way is to use a manila tag that's available at all stationery and office supply stores. And if you have a stamp or stickers or even just handwriting, you can write a little message on one of those. Another thing that's very handy is a paper punch in the shape of a tag. You can quickly make a bunch of tags, just like the ones I have here. Another great idea is to use last year's greeting cards. A lot of them have really cute graphics on the front. You can cut out the part that you want to use. This one happens to have the message on the back, but you could simply cover that with another piece of white paper. Punch a hole, write your to and from greeting. Slide a little piece of ribbon through it, and you have a great tag. This is another one that I found. And this one had no writing on it, so it's ready to go. Beautiful gold Christmas tree. I cut this one out with pinking shears because then you have a little more wiggle room with not being as straight with your cutting. Find a coordinating piece of ribbon, and that's a great tag. Those are some ideas for making your own gift tags.